let's do a little neck protocol. You got a sore neck, rather than trying to stretch it or click it or crack it yourself, slow down, get centered, squeeze the shoulders up towards the ears and hold this posture. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Relax. And in the relaxation, you reset the muscle. So we can take the shoulder through the 4 directions. Go up, it'll go down. I'm pulling the shoulder away from my ear as if I'm holding a heavy bag full of gold bullion. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Relax. Now I'm going to squeeze my shoulder blades back. Keep the ribs and the belly engaged together and squeeze my shoulder blades back so they kiss the spine. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Relax. And then point of the shoulder as if they're going to try and touch in the middle of my spine. They're not going to reach. It's okay. It'd be kind of weird if they did. But I'm going to squeeze, 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 squeeze. Relax, and then just go through a little roll. This will do magic for this whole complex, and you can honestly become your own chiropractor. You know? Sort it out and move free from there.